Hello! In this video, we'll give you a tour of the banner slider widget. Are you facing challenges while adding a banner slider to your mobile store? Adding banners as a slider is a wonderful way to market your products and increase sales. True to its word, Swipecart's no-code app builder makes it simple to design banner sliders. How? On your Swipecart dashboard, select App Design. Click the edit icon on your current design. In the widget panel, click Banner Slider from the drop-down. Here, there are different style variants of the banner slider. You have the choice to choose rectangle or square sliders with or without a radius. Drag and drop a suitable banner slider to the design section. Now, as a first step, let's add/edit image. This section lets you upload images or videos for your banner. As an advantage, you can link them to the desired pages. The linked page can be a product page, collection page, or any other page in your app store. Using the web URL option, you can also redirect your customers to an external link that is outside the app. Click the Upload an Image/Video section and add the file from your computer. Now, select the page to which you want to link the banner to. Select Add. The first banner is added. Now, repeat the same action till all your banners are added. Once the configuration is complete, click Submit. To edit the style, hover over the banner slider in the design section. Click Edit Style. As you make changes in the Edit Style window, you can see a preview of it on the right side mobile screen. Here, you can modify the radius, padding, and container padding of the banner slider. In the widget title section, give a name for your banner slider. You can customize the alignment, font size, letter spacing, font color, font style, and font weight. From the Images column, alter how you want the image to fit within the banner. You can choose to fill or cover the banner. Contain. The background column permits you to add custom colors or images to the slider. Select Color to add color to your banner. Click Image to upload an image for your banner. Click None when you don't want any image or color. To add shadow to your banner slider, enable the toggle for box shadow and choose a variant. Save the changes. To make a copy of the banner slider, hover over the banner slider in the design section and select Copy Block. Your banner slider is copied. Now, go to the block where you want to paste it. Select Paste Block. Changing the style variant of your banner slider is easy. Select Edit View by hovering over it. Here, you can change the view. You can also remove this block. Hover over the banner slider and click Remove Block. It is removed from the design section. Save the changes. If you wish to be the first to view it, Select Preview to see the banner slider on a mobile device. You also have the option to view it on your Swipecart mobile app. Simply, click Try it on your device to scan the QR code and view the banner slider on your mobile store. We'll be back with more helpful tutorials to help you with adding widgets to your mobile app. If you have any issues or queries, contact our implementation specialist or contact our support team. Thank you for watching.